Hello, my friends. In this tutorial, we're going to go over some of the tools of Google Draw. And in the next movie, we'll make this Google drawing. But I wanted to make it easy for you to understand what was going on in the next movie by making this introduction to the interface. If you would just take a look here with me at the tool I have selected, it is called the selection tool, and it looks like an arrow. And I can click on the pieces of this drawing. You can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. I'm going to use Command Z or the back button to go backwards and undo things. And from their corresponding handle, you can click and rotate an object. When we click on a shape, we can see its fill and stroke method. The stroke method of this blue shape is transparent. You can add a color to that. There are assorted line types that you can choose from the pop-down menu. Okay, so I'm going to remove this stroke. To take the stroke away, you click on the pencil and choose transparent. To change a shape's transparency, you can, one, make sure it's selected, and then go to the color bucket again and come down to the word custom. Here you have a slider to change the saturation, or rather the brightness of a color, and a slider that changes the transparency. So now this is somewhere around 50% transparent. There's no actual percentage readout to tell you that, so I'm just guessing that this is in the middle. And my shape looks like this. And lastly, again, if I select a shape, click and drag to create that shape, change the fill color of that shape and the outline. Here I'm setting it to transparency. I can rotate it and move its position and go back to the color menu here where I'll click custom and change this one's transparency as well. Got it. Okay. Last thing in this tutorial that I will add is that you can select more than one shape by clicking on one and holding the Shift key to select on multiple other shapes. You can group them, which makes them act like one piece, so that if you click on one of the objects, you will be moving all three. And you can also do a copy and a paste from the menu, or use key commands, Command C, Command V, which is Control C and Control V if you're on a PC. And here I've just pasted the shape, moved it, and now I'm going to resize it, making it a lot smaller and rotating it. Okay, there we go. This is what you need to get started working with Google Draw. I hope you jump in and have fun. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next movie.